Forecast on the 6th, and everybody's talking about that snow, Chelsea, but it's really not much to be concerned about.
If this were January or February, we wouldn't even blink at the forecast that we have ahead of us today. That being said, of course, whenever we get our first flakes flying and the potential of some minor accumulation, everybody's abuzz. What we're looking at for your morning commute: dry weather, storm tracker radar completely quiet right now. It's cloudy to start the day, and eventually around lunchtime, we'll start to see some light precipitation moving in. Temperatures are just below freezing in many locations. It's currently 31 in Smithfield, 31 in Norwood, 29 in Killingly, 29 up in Worcester, about freezing, 33 just above it in Westerly, and then mid-30s for Providence, for Newport, for New Bedford, and out towards the Cape and the islands. Now, areas farthest to the south and east today come up into the upper 30s and low 40s. So we're likely going to see light rain showers because we'll be well above freezing. It'll be our inland locations that we have the higher chance of seeing some slightly higher totals, and by higher totals, I mean an inch or two as opposed to a coating. The breeze right now is very light. In fact, calm in most locations. A few spots have a light breeze coming in out of the northeast, and that does always make us feel just a couple degrees cooler in some spots, feeling like the low to mid 30s outside early this morning. Here's a loop over the past 6 hours. A lot of clouds to start the day. Those clouds continued to roll in overnight, and we're looking at overcast conditions through the first few hours of the day. Now, there's some very, very light snow showing up just off to our immediate west, and the air is still very dry, so much of this may not even be reaching the ground just yet. A little bit of a wider view shows you unorganized light snow off to our west. What's happening is there's a low system that's going to be moving offshore and eventually moving out to sea. And we're going to be on the northern fringe of that, which means that we get the light precipitation at times into the afternoon and evening hours, but it is very light. The bulk of the precipitation, the heaviest of precipitation, stays well offshore and out over the ocean. Hour by hour, what we're looking at: overcast conditions this morning. As we head through the later part of the morning, temperatures have already come up into the upper 30s and low 40s along the immediate coastline. So you can see as the precipitation starts in many spots, it's rain showers. This is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Light snow showers developing for our inland locations, rain along the coastline, and we continue to see on and off light snow showers and rain showers as we head through the afternoon and evening hours. During your evening commute, there'll likely be some light precipitation falling. Whenever there's precipitation happening, whether it's rain or snow, you want to give yourself a little extra time and take it slow. Overnight, we continue to see some light snow showers. Temperatures by early tomorrow morning dip below freezing. So if anything has stuck to any pavement or any walkways, it may become slick. So keep that in mind as you take those first few steps out early tomorrow morning. From there, we see sunshine, likely even with temperatures on the cool side of things tomorrow. Any of that snow does melt. And into Friday, temperatures continue to climb. There's a lot of clouds around, but we'll make it into the mid to upper 40s. In terms of snowfall accumulations, we're not looking at much. In fact, this is an updated graphic here for you. We're looking at maybe a coating to a ½ inch. Some spots farthest inland may get up to an inch and a half. But again, this isn't a major event. I would just be careful for some slick spots overnight. Upper 30s today. We have overcast and cool conditions. It'll be around lunchtime and through the afternoon that you start to see rain and snow moving into the area. Overnight, we have evening snow showers. You're going to want to watch for some slick spots with temperatures dipping down to the upper 20s as we head into tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, any morning clouds give way to mainly sunny conditions with temperatures to around 40 degrees. So it will be a chilly day, but it's a day above freezing. It's a day with sunshine. So most of that snow will melt even tomorrow. As we head into Friday, where there's a lot of clouds around, temperatures will be in the upper 40s range, which is more seasonable. We're up to about 60 degrees on Saturday, a very warm day. So any snow is gone by then. In fact, on Saturday, we get rain, we get breezy conditions, and some of that rain will continue overnight into Sunday morning. From there, it looks like we dry out into Sunday afternoon. And looking ahead into next week, we've been talking about this crazy 7-day forecast. Looks like we have a stretch of at least a few days, Monday, Tuesday, and beyond, where we'll see sunny and slightly warmer than average temperatures.
So be ready for anything over the next week or so.
Basically be ready for anything. Again, anytime there's precipitation falling, you want to go easy. But in terms of the rate that snowfall's coming down or rain showers are coming down and the amount, it's really not much.
Yes.
But be careful.
Yes.
No matter what.
Very good advice for everybody this morning. Calm us all down about this.
There you go.
All
Exactly.
right, Chelsea. Thank you. Well, the Massachusetts RMV says you're going to need your